Welcome to today's video then, where we're going to be looking at how we can put a strike through in this cell in B4 and also the cell in B6 here, saying is this true, using either the checkbox that we can see there or the true. You can see from the checkbox that we have the true or false up in the formula bar at the top there. So let's have a look how we can do this then. So we're going to select the cell, we're then going to click format down to the conditional formatting, and we can see that we have the B4 selected. We're going to go custom formula, and then we're going to put equals, and then, we're not going to do the if. I'm just going to make a quick mistake there. So we're going to press the equals, and we're going to insert the cell that it's going to be referencing. So now we move one over. So C4 equals true. We're going to make it Y, and we're going to put the strike through there. Clicking the done now, and we can see that the cell has got its strike through that we needed it to have there, referencing the actual words that we have there within the cell C4. But to make this a little bit easier then, we want to know how we can do this then using the checkboxes. We don't want to be typing true or false all the time. We can see that within Google Sheets, the checkbox automatically links to the cell, giving it true or false. So again, we can go to conditional formatting. We can make sure that we have the cell selected, so B6. We want the custom formula again, so equals, now we want the cell C6, as it's the next cell along, referencing the box, and again true. You can format this however you want to turn out, so whether it's a strike through or colour, click done, and then when we have a look at this now, we can see that again, this just references that, making it a little bit easier if we have a checkbox, rather than having to manually type out this false up here, or true, depending on what the result will be. So, thanks for watching, hopefully this helps, and see you again soon.